How to change Netflix payment method. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can change payment method on Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to change the payment method on Netflix, it is actually very simple to do so. All you have to do is not log in from the app, but you have to log in from your browser. Once you log in from your browser, go to netflix.com and sign into your account. Tap the three lines option from the top left of the screen, then go to this option called account. Once you go to this account option, just scroll down over here and then you'll find this option known as manage payment info. Tap on the manage payment info tab. Here you can see my current payment method, which means that if I want to change it, I can either tap the edit button, but it says to remove, add another payment method. So I need to tap the add payment option over here, and then once I've done that, I can enter a new credit or debit card or my PayPal account. Once I've done that, I can just come back. In this case, when I come back, I'll be able to remove my old payment method. This way I can actually change my payment method on Netflix. Hope this video was very helpful, and if you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.